Good morning, students of class 2. We have come back to our moral science class after your unit test. Most probably before first term, your moral science test will be taken. So, from today, you make yourself ready for unit test, for your test, for your first term moral science test. So, I have already told you the lessons. Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. True to myself, sharing is good, just to me, not just me. Clean up crow, the angry ogre. These 5 chapters are in your first term syllabus. So first lesson is true to myself. What are Sam, Jia, Asa and Raju doing? Are they doing honest? You have to learn here. But honesty is not just about telling the truth. It is also shows in our behavior, that is not talking others things, that is not taking others things without asking, admitting our mistakes and so on. Here the chapter opens with the words of Sam. I broke a vase. I will throw away the pieces, but I won't tell mom. It's very bad. If you do any mistakes in the home, you will tell straight to your mom. She'll do whatever the best. Okay? Don't try to hide anything from her. These crayons are so nice. Let me take some. Nobody is looking. It's Jia's words. She's in the school. She's doing something wrong. It's not work of honesty. She's hiddenly trying to take somebody's crayons. It is not very good job. So you have to do anything in the school, you have to tell a teacher. She will guide you what is right and what is wrong. Okay? I did not do my homework. I will tell my teacher I was sick. This is Asa's words. She was watching TV all the day long, and she did not complete her homework, and she is trying to tell something wrong to her teacher. She is pretending she is sick. It's very bad. I do not like my own lunch. Let me take some cookies and from Adi's lunchbox. Raju's words. Raju did not like his own tiffin. She's trying to take something from Adi's hiddenly. She's trying to stealing. This is very bad. So, you have to do everything perfectly. Don't try to take anything hiddenly. Don't tell a lie. These are not the work of honesty. Okay? So, you have to be perfect in your practice. Black is black and white is white. If black is called blue, will it be right? If I do something that I should not do, I should say sorry and to myself be true. It could be a jug I broke today. It could be a book I lost on the way. It could be homework I did not do. I need to own up and to myself be true. I know when I'm wrong. I almost always do. And from today, I will to myself be true. So, what do we learn from this chapter? We learn not telling the truth is called lying. So, taking something that is not yours is called stealing. If you do something wrong, own up and say sorry. So, these are the very good work. If you tell the things what is what. Okay? So here are some questions, you have to answer them. I've already sent you the answers. Those who didn't get, please try to write down now. First question is, if you do something wrong, what should you say? I must say sorry. If I do something wrong, I must say sorry. If you broke a glass or cup, what would you do? Hide the broken pieces or tell your mother? If I broke a glass or a cup, I must tell my mother. If you forget to do your homework, would you tell the teacher the truth or pretend you were sick? If I forgot to do my homework, I would tell the teacher the truth. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the correct words. Esa is going to tell her teacher a lie or truth. Lie. Jia wants to dash the crayons by steal. Still. S-T-A-L. Still. Taking hiddenly. Dash does not want his mother to know that he broke a vase. Sam Raju. Sam. Dash eats things from other people's lunch boxes. Raju are here. Jia. Raju. Put a tick, these people are being honest, and put a cross if not. I did not brush my teeth at night, but I told mother I did. Cross. Rina was hungry. She ate a sandwich from Anna's lunchbox when Anna went out of the classroom. Cross. Raju forgot his pencil. He took Mani's pencil from his bag. Put a cross. Sam found some money on the floor. He gave it to the teacher. Right job. Put a tick. Tina found Kim's pencil box in the playground. She took it home and gave it to her brother. It's wrong. Put a cross. So, we have completed this chapter today. And here is a story on page 8. Open page 8. I think all of you know the story. Wolf. Once upon a time, a shepherd every day he used to take the sheep to the ground for graze. One day he thought of a plan. He will want to do some fun. One day a shepherd boy decided to have fun. While he was out with the sheep, he shouted, "Wolf, wolf, help me." The villagers ran out to help the boy. And when the villagers came, the shepherd started laughing. And this made the villagers angry. They went back. The villagers also told him, "Don't cry, wolf, wolf, when there is no wolf." They also told him, if you do it repeatedly, you will make a mess. When the real situation comes, we will not help you. The boy did not hear them. Next day he also started the same fun. Started shouting, "Wolf, wolf." The villagers came running. They saw there was no wolf at all. They did not say anything. They just went back. This thing is going on for many days. And one day, a wolf really came out of the forest. That day, boys started shouting, "Wolf, wolf, help me, help me." That day, nobody came. The villagers thought that he was joking with them, they were doing fun with them. He was lying, so they did not go out to help him. And what happened? Then the wolf killed the boy and he went back. So it is our duty not to tell a lie. So when the situation came, nobody come to help us. People will not believe us even we are telling the truth. The shepherd boy, this is the case of the shepherd boy. When the real wolf came, nobody came to help him because the villagers were thinking that he was playing a joke, was telling a lie. So, we should not make any joke on a serious matter. Okay. So here page number 9, we have to do something. What is it? Let's have some fun with smiley and weepy sticks. Read the sentence aloud and hold up a smiley sticks to show honesty and hold up a weepy sticks to show dishonesty. So here I am putting some cross and write. So you will do the weepy sticks in your home and or draw weepy sticks beside the sentence. It is better draw weepy and smiley sticks beside the sentences. Which is wrong, you draw weepy sticks, and which is right, draw smiley sticks. I was lazy to play. I told my friend I was busy doing homework. It's weepy. Draw a weepy sticks. Cross. I did not want to go to school. I told my mother I had a toothache. Draw a weepy sticks. I broke my father's coffee mug, but I owned up and said sorry. Draw smiley sticks. I had taken my friend's book yesterday. I gave it back to her today. Draw smiley sticks. I spilled a cup of milk and I told my mother that the cat had done it. Draw weepy sticks. Okay, thank you for today.